then tonight you're gonna get these hands.
Luchasaures!
Jeff, this is unbelievable. Luchasaures. Oh, talk about brutal. What about that headbutt from Luchasaurus?
Luchasaurus is a long
Oh, wait a...
Hey guys, I'm your host ATA, aka Anand. What you're seeing is a Luchasaurus action figure AEW 2019, and now I'll be updating his attire to his current 2023. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Firstly, we're gonna take out his old mask so that we can give him a new and improved one. Let's take a close look at this green dinosaur inspired mask. So bear with me for a couple minutes to get this attire out of him. It'll be done quick, I promise. Now that I took all his old attire, I'm taking some of his attire to make his with the help of black tape. I don't want to waste some of this because it took 20 hours to make it, so I'm reusing all the stuffs that I made into his new one. I'm just cutting all the sides for it to perfectly fit his new and improved attire. We give the details using pencil, because why not? You don't want mistakes to be happen by just directly drawing the outlines. We finalize the marked outlines using the black CD marker. To make the job easier, you can also use the black permanent marker. Suggestion may help it. We can also use some black inflation dabs in the necessary area. To make the mask and the beard, I'm using the white paper tap as the base. As for the coloring goes, I'm using the red CD marker for the current look of Luchasaurus' red mask. Luckily I had a white pen, so I'm using it for the details of his eyes and the necessary areas of his mask. Behold, the giant dinosaur mixed with the green luchador, making Luchasaures! There you have it, the custom cane-inspired Luchasaurus Flexforce figure. If you want to see him debut in WWE, then hit the like button with your horns and become the one of my greatest subscriber by subscribing ADA. It's time to compare the fix before and after. By the way, which version would you prefer? Comment that down because I'll be reading it. So thank you for spending a valuable time for my channel. Peace.